Get excited about the 2012 Toyota RAV4. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including skid plates, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.